Understanding, pilot a ship. A guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, pilot a ship. This phrase is not only interesting but also quite useful in understanding how English language idioms and phrases work. Let's dive into the world of nautical terms and see how they've sailed into everyday English. Pilot a ship literally refers to the act of steering or guiding a ship through water. A pilot, in this context, is someone who is skilled in navigating a ship or a boat. This role is crucial, especially when maneuvering through difficult or congested waters. The pilot needs to have a deep understanding of sea routes, weather conditions, and the capabilities of the ship. In a more figurative sense, pilot a ship can be used to describe leading or guiding any kind of project, organization, or group. Just like a ship's pilot must carefully navigate to avoid obstacles and reach the destination safely, a person leading a project must skillfully manage challenges to achieve their goals. This metaphorical use showcases the versatility of nautical terms in English. The phrase is often used in business and leadership contexts. For example, a manager might say, "I'm piloting a new initiative at work." Here, it implies they are in charge of starting and guiding a new project. Understanding these kinds of idiomatic expressions can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension of English in various contexts. It's also interesting to note the historical roots of such phrases. Sea travel has been integral to human history, impacting language and culture. Phrases like, pilot a ship, bring with them stories and traditions from the world of maritime exploration and travel, adding a layer of cultural depth to the language. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, pilot a ship, in both its literal and figurative senses. Remember, learning a language is not just about words and grammar, it's also about understanding the culture and history behind the phrases. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.